This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Trygar. Move-in ready, well-maintained first-floor condo with new paint, new carpet, granite countertops and open floor plan plus lots of storage. Abundant natural light throughout. 2 large bedrooms and 2 full baths plus sunroom that can be used to relax, play or as an office space. Wonderful central location, near shopping, restaurants, expressways, schools, oceanfront and bases. For more information, review the details below or contact Trygar at 757-470-1139.